Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix a zipper without creases. This is actually going to make you know the professional way of fixing a zipper. Now, if you want to sew like a pro, there are things you need to do. Ordinarily, you could just take your zipper to the machine, like you can see. I just took my zipper, placed it on the fabric, and I am just sewing. This is going to create a lot of creases, and it's so unprofessional. This is the way a roadside tailor would do. Okay, he or she just takes it to the machine and begins to sew. And if the fabric is a little stretchy or partially elastic, at the end of the day you find those zips that are bumpy and don't make the dress look kind of local. You don't even want to wear it. It's somewhere nice. At the end of the day, this is the result you're going to have: untidy sewing, and you will not like it. Now, to sew like a pro, you need to mark where you're going to fix your zipper. I am marking that at 1.5 inches. You mark it. Make sure your tape and your ruler are going to be your best friends. Look at that. I marked that. The next thing you must do is to use pins. After marking, pin your work. Your pins are going to be your good friend as well if you want to sew like a pro. So you use pins to fasten your zipper. An unprofessional seamstress will just say, oh, what does it matter? It's a waste of time. No, if you really want to be excellent at what you do and attract the right kind of customers that you want, you're going to pin your work neatly along where you already took your time to mark. The next thing you're going to do is tacking. Oh, anybody that wants to be professional will tack. It's going to take you some time, but you're going to get the best results. All you need is your needle and your thread. Just use your hand needle, sew in and out, like you can see that. As simple as that. Any unprofessional tailor will not have time for this. You'll be in a hurry to finish. Now, once you're done tacking the dress or whatever you're fixing the zipper on, you take out the pins and you're getting ready to go right back to your sewing machine. At the end of the day, you will not have creases. If you want to be excellent, you need to put in extra time. So we go straight to the sewing machine. I'm using an invisible zip presser foot. Remember to sew along the crease. As you go along the crease, ensure you're not sewing on the teeth of your zipper. And once you go that way gently along the crease, you're going to have a beautiful and well fixed zipper without creases. And this is going to make your work look like what we call ready-made outfits. They are not made by magicians. It's just people who go the extra mile, who to be excellent. You won't have creases on your dress, and your customers are going to love to come back to you. There you go, gently all the way to the end, and at the end of the day you're going to have these beautiful zippers that you see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.